Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to free up space on C drive without deleting any files. As you can see, if you see this kind of Windows C red icons in your Windows C drive, then you need to follow these steps very carefully. So first we're going to click our Windows key with R and going to open Run Program. And into the Run Program, we're going to give our first command fetch and then going to click OK, then going to click continue. After you will get a lots of files that are not required in your computer. So those all are unwanted files. You can simply select them all. Simply click Ctrl+A and then you can simply click Shift plus delete button and click yes. So that's it. And now we're going to open the run program another time by simply click on Windows+R, and now we're going to type another command called temp. Click OK and then going to delete these two files by simply this. And after we're going to open another time Windows+R, going to open another time run program, and now we're going to type %temp%. Now click OK. And now going to delete everything by simply selecting Ctrl+K and then delete all. Some will not be deleted, so you just need to skip. And if you try another time, if it's not work yet, then just skip it. So now we're going to look for another step. Open Windows+R with the run, and then we're going to type there link mgr. Then simply click on OK. We'll just select the C drive. You can choose any of your drive, but I'm going to only choose the C drive and then click OK. And now we can select them all one by one and clean up system files and click OK. And that will delete some unwanted files. So you don't need to worry about anything because these all are unwanted boot file that not needed in your computer. So you can delete them very calmly. So after completing the deletion, now we're going to go for our Explorer. I'm going to go for this PC. And here is our local C drive right now. If your computer looks like still red in local C drive, you can do this last step. And the step is you need to open the local C drive, then go for Windows. And after that, you will going to find this file called software distribution. So going to open it and then you will going to find some file over here. So for reminder, these all files are your previous installed files. This all file is unwanted and those are not needed right now for your Windows. So this all file you need to delete by selecting them all. Click Shift plus delete. Click yes. Click continue. Continue another time. And continue. And as you can see, the all file is deleted. And now if you go for this PC, I hope this time your red will be gone. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you will like this video and don't forget to subscribe.